2012 Thor Hurricane 3-1J Full Body Paint Loft Bed 13K miles, 64, 990 Ford Chassis, 362 HP Triton V10, 5-speed automatic transmission with tow/haul mode, grade brake, Onan generator, automatic levelers, camera, rear bedroom with walk-around island queen bed, living room slide-out with sofa sleeper and horseshoe convertible booth dinette, front loft bed, cherry cabinetry, sleeps 8, mid-coach flat-screen TV, ultra-leather swivel/recline captain's chairs, dual-duct roof airs, tow package. High-gloss full-body paint, 13K original miles, very clean, only $64.990. Please email or call for the full list of the features, availability, or anything else we can send to help you. We have some fantastic financing plans and take trades also. It is our #1 goal that your experience with our company is an enjoyable one with our staff of industry professionals. Conejo Wholesale Auto and RV, 661 East Thousand Oaks Boulevard, Thousand Oaks, California, 913-608-05-496-8700, open 7 days, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Conejo Wholesale Auto and RV exclusive Fleetwood Bounder dealer for Ventura County, 661 East Thousand Oaks Boulevard, Thousand Oaks, California, 91360, open 7 days, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Come experience the no-pressure sales approach at Conejo RV. We also buy clean late model